Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to set up message for product collection or catalog on WhatsApp API so that you can send a message to your user who have texted you on WhatsApp along with like product collection or catalogs. As you can see, I'm into my WhatsApp API and here we are into the dashboard, and right now we are at the commerce settings tab. Right in the left you can find the commerce settings tab, and here our product catalog is getting displayed. As in our previous video we learned how to connect our product catalog of Shopify store with the WhatsApp API, right? If you have not watched that video, then I would recommend you to kindly visit our YouTube channel and check out the WhatsApp API playlist, right? So now here we are right now, and here we are going to turn this on as I want this particular product to be showcased in my product collection message. So whatever the product you want to showcase in your product collection or catalog message, you can simply turn them on and click on confirm, right? So we are going to click on confirm to start sending collection and catalogs, right? And here in the second option you can also add catalogs in your campaigns, but as right now we are not going to create any campaign as of now, because we will learn how to create campaigns by using another method. From here we are not going to create any campaign, so you just need to complete your first step over here, and then we will learn how to send campaign or how to create templates, because we are not going to use these ready-made templates by Interact, right? Apart from it, if you want to sign up on Interact, then I have mentioned the Interact sign up link in video description, and using that particular link you can create an account on Interact, and you will also receive some bonus credits in your Interact account that you can utilize for sending WhatsApp marketing messages to your customers. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.